If you're planning to buy before you order 93310F6000 genuine, stop scrolling right now. This before you order 93310F6000 genuine is officially taking over the internet. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it works exactly as advertised. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it saves you so much time. No more wasting your hard-earned bucks on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it sells out everywhere.